Answer in one sentence. How did the civilization get the name Harappa? Archaeological excavation first began in 1921 CE at Harappa in the Punjab on the banks of the river Ravi. That is how this civilization came to be known as Harappan civilization. What patterns are seen on the Harappan pots? The patterns include fish scales, interlocking circles, people leaves, etc. are seen on the Harappan pots. What cloth did the Harappan traders supply to Egypt? The traders of the Harappan civilization supplied muslin cloth to Egypt. Draw a picture of the Great Bath at Mohenjo-daro. This is the picture of the Great Bath at Mohenjo-daro that you have to draw. And write few lines about Great Bath at Mohenjo-daro. A spacious bath has been discovered at Mohenjo-daro. The tank in the Great Bath was nearly 2.5 meters deep, 12 meters long and 7 meters wide. It was lined with baked bricks to prevent seepage of water. There were steps leading down to the tank. There was also provision for draining, cleaning and refilling the tank at regular intervals. In the following chart, fill in the details regarding human life during the Harappan period. Major crops are wheat, barley, ragi and sesame. Clothes are high quality cotton, muslin, knee length garment and upper garment. Ornaments are multi-stranded necklaces, rings, armlets and bangles and waistbands. Answer in one word and frame similar questions. Write the answers. What stone was used to make the Harappan seals? Steatite. Can you describe the structure of houses in your locality? In my locality in Mumbai, we have building structures and tall skyscrapers. In contrast, we do have Atmate locality with small houses in rows and sometimes chawls that are built up to 1 story. Do they have flat roofs or tiled sloping roofs? Houses or buildings in my locality have flat roofs and provisions are made for draining away the rainwater. What problems regarding health and hygiene will arise if the drains are not covered? If the drains are not covered, they will become infested or breeding grounds to mosquitoes, flies, insects, etc. This will directly affect the health of the people living in that vicinity. People will become victim to terrible illnesses, death rate may rise, children and senior citizens will be mostly affected as they have weaker immunity. Write short notes on the Great Bath. A spacious bath has been discovered at Mohenjo-daro. The tank in the Great Bath was nearly 2.5 meters deep. It was 12 meters long and 7 meters wide. It was lined with baked bricks to prevent seepage of water. There were steps leading down to the tank. There was also a provision for draining, cleaning and refilling the tank from time to time. Harappan pottery. Earthen pots of various types and shapes have been found at the excavation sites of Harappan civilization. There are red terracotta pots with patterns and designs in black color. The patterns include fish scales, interlocking circles, people leaves, etc.